Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how you can install the Samsung Calculator app on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open either the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. Then from here, you want to use the search feature and type in Samsung Calculator. Once you found it, you want to tap on it to view the app details, and you can see the description, any ratings and reviews, as well as the overview. So you want to tap on install so that it can be downloaded onto your phone. Then once it's been installed, you can just tap on open to launch it. So from here, you can now start using your calculator to do different equations and stuff like that. You also have these options here that allow you to do unit conversions. So if you tap on this ruler here, you can do unit conversions. You have area, length, temperature, and all sorts of options to choose from. Then you also have this option which flips this calculator into scientific mode. So when you tap on it, it flips into scientific mode. Then you can now use your sin, cos, and tan features. Then you can tap on it again and you can go back to basic. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.